Okay, so we're going to start doing a titration here. So we have our burette set up, and the first thing we want to do is find our initial volume. So here is our initial volume. Couple of reminders here. Ideally, we would have exactly 0.00 as our initial volume. However, if it's close, you want to just have a very accurate volume for that. So 0 is here at the top, and then 1 is right down here, and then you have little marks there for tenths, so 0.1, 0.2, etc. milliliters, and then you want to be guessing beyond that, so one more digit beyond that. So make your measurement for the initial volume. Okay, so here is our measure for the final volume. So 45 is right in here. It's a long line that goes all the way across. The same thing for 46 down here. So just remember what order the numbers are going in. So 45 is higher, 46 is lower. We have marks in between for 45.1, 45.2, 45.3, a little bit of a 45.4, a little bit of a longer one for 45.5, etc. And then you want to be guessing the last digit, which will be one digit beyond whatever the last mark is that you see.